Hi everyone, welcome back to Surakshyaan. Today we are discussing authorization. Authorization simply means every user that exists on a website or on a system should have a role and corresponding permissions assigned to that user for the specific role. What it means is, for example, let's say there is a blog website. A typical blogging website would have three users. Number one would be the viewer who's reading the blogs. Number two would be the author who writes the blogs. And number three could be admin. So, for a blogging website, there can be multiple authors writing blogs and multiple viewers and few admins, right? So, all these users will have different set of roles assigned, and according to their roles, they will have different set of permissions. So, a regular viewer or a regular reader of the blogging website should not be able to do anything that only an admin should be ideally be able to do, right? What it simply means is no regular user should be able to do admin related tasks. So, there is this segregation of permissions and privileges amongst these roles. Okay, so how do we implement authorization? We implement authorization by assigning permissions based on the user role. So you first identify users, then you identify multiple user roles, and depending upon what roles they have, you assign different permissions. So a principle of least access is followed in authorization. What it means is every user will initially have the least amount of privileges or access by default. Depending upon the task that they are required to do or they need to do, explicit permission can be given.